Hey guys, it's Derek White from topenhancementreviews.com, and in this video I'm going to review the new X4 Labs extender, my results, how it works, a little information about the product. So first I'll do a little background. The X4 Labs is an extender device, also known as a traction device. And the X4 Labs extender was designed in Europe, although unlike other extenders it's actually manufactured in North America. And like the SizeGenetics, it has been clinically proven to work and extend the length of your penis and correct curvature. So the X4 Labs design is based off of the SizeGenetics, so I'll get it open here. And it's been on the market for years and years. It was actually featured on the show Mansers, if you've seen that on Spike Television. X4 Labs takes penis enlargement and sexual health very seriously. And if you check out their website, you'll see that they're a company that's constantly developing and improving their product line, and it's backed by the help of medical professionals. So let's get into the actual extender review. If you are familiar with my other review videos, you'll know that I saw my extender gains using the SizeGenetics. And since then I started Top Enhancement Reviews to try out different products. So I've only used the X4 extender for about 1 month prior to making this review. But I have a lot of experience with this kind of thing, so I can give you my opinion. The model I bought was the premium edition. It came with spare parts, sexual position DVD, an instructional DVD, how to use this for optimum results. As you can see, there's extra comfort straps, lots of memory foam for comfort, base ring. Yeah, it's great. And if you've been doing your research on the subject, you'll see that the X4 Labs packaging really sets a good standard. I can easily say this is some of the most sophisticated packaging I've seen for penis enlargement device, and it's a beautiful box. Open it up, you have white velvet on the inside, gold branding. It's really nice, so it really says something about the company's brand. So if you want to see exactly what comes inside the premium edition, look through my videos for an X4 Labs unboxing video, and I go through all the contents I received in the package, so you can take a look at that. So on to the actual extender. The first thing I noticed when I picked up the X4 Labs extender is that it is definitely heavier, and that's not a bad point. I think because of the fact it's made in North America, the build quality is actually better. I can tell that this is an extender that's going to last. The metal bars are sturdier, the plastic is denser, so less prone to breaking. The silicone on the comfort strap is softer and more comfortable, and in case any part breaks, additional ones are provided with the package, so you don't have to worry about, going through the hassle of ordering a new specific part. The extender device looks a little complicated at first, but it really isn't. It has a number of components. The base ring is here, the elongation bars are here, and there are different size bars you can attach to this. There's little ones, big ones, so you can really customize it to your size and specific needs, and also you can add on little increments as you start seeing length gains. The front piece is here, which is actually just this plastic piece, the comfort strap, and the memory foam comfort pad. So once your penis is inside the device, it goes in through the base ring. You attach your penis, or you tie in your penis at the top front piece there, and the elongation bars have springs in them, and it puts a gentle force pushing the head of your penis away from your body, which over time leads to length gains. So it's a very comfortable device. I would say it's on par with the SizeGenetics comfort-wise. If you're going to be wearing this device for a couple hours a day for the next few months, you want it to be comfortable. Otherwise, it's not really doable. The official instructions, excuse me, the official instructions say you're supposed to wear this for 48 hours per day, 4 to 8, not 48. It really depends on the individual, how much you want to gain and how fast. When I was using the SizeGenetics, I got away with wearing the device 4 hours per day, 5 days per week. And keep in mind that using a penis extender or pump is the equivalent of exercising, so you can't expect gains from this in the first 2 weeks. Permanent gains come after about the 3-month mark, so it's a commitment. You have to realize this before you get into it. It's not going to be easy, it just takes time. And after my experience with this extender, I can say it's very comfortable. It has a sturdiness and quality build to it, so I haven't experienced with any other extenders. I've reviewed anyway, which is a definite plus. The same quality pull as other extenders, which puts it into the same quality category as the SizeGenetics. So I can definitely say this extender will give you results. I think I mentioned earlier that, I first heard about this device on the television show Mansers on Spike TV, and it was proved to work on that show to make your penis longer. So there are several different ways you can get your hands on this extender, the X4 Labs extender. You can visit the link below the video, which will automatically apply a discount to the different extender packages. The premium package, which I featured in this video, comes to, after the discount, around $280. So it is a savings compared to some of the more expensive extenders on the market, but like I said, it is surprising, keeping in mind the build quality of this device. There are several different package options though, so there's one for every person's budget, so you can check that out through the link below. In conclusion, all the main points: this is a very well built extender, provides results, it's been featured on television, has a good price point for every budget, and I would definitely put it up there with my top 3 penis enlargement devices. So check out the link below to visit the X4 Labs website, and if you have any questions, comments, or products you'd like me to review, leave a comment or visit topenhancementreviews.com and send me an email. I hope this video has helped you guys out, and I will talk to you guys later.